See my ex with a new girl. Feel like a new brand. Happy Saturday. So welcome to a new vlog. Just getting up, did all the necessary, wash my face, brush my teeth. I'm making breakfast right now because I need to head out on the road and do errands. I haven't done like errands in a long time on a Saturday, but I think in the last vlog I told you this weekend would be the funeral of my cousin. So today's setup and Sunday's the funeral. So, but the errands that I'm doing is not for that. Today, no, it's just a little errands for me to do. I need to buy some parts for my car. I don't know if I'll be able to like have it serviced today. I haven't spoken to the mechanic as yet, but it's due to do that. I need to fix that, do the parts and service. I know I was supposed to service this like a while back, but honestly that didn't work out. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do that because I'm gonna be using my car tomorrow, and I think the burial area it's not far, it's still in Kingston, so my car should be fine. But I don't like to drive out of town, even though the burial area is not really referred to out of town. But yeah, just let you know, I just wanna have my car up to date. Talk about that. One of my documents expired June 30th. I need to go online and sort it out because I don't want no issues with no police. Yes, I just have some little errands to do. I need to figure out what really I'm gonna do like first, second, and third, so I'm not on the road all day and get caught in the Saturday traffic and all of that. I know I need to pick up packages. I need to get some toiletries. I need to go to the supermarket. I need to figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner this week. For the last past 2 weeks, I've been eating a lot of takeout. I wouldn't say a lot, but at least twice out of the week I'm having Island Grill. I had Burger King twice this week. So we need to fix that. So how about that? I need to put on my so I can't even remember what else I need to do. But most importantly is just to try to start up my car today. I have a package to pick up. I want to pick up that. Even though it's not really necessary, I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear for funeral on Sunday. I think I'm just gonna wear that one dress that I normally wear, that Zara black dress, or I have another longer one. I need to do my toes. I don't think I have time to do my toes today, so I'm just gonna polish my toes myself. As it relates to my hair, I need to figure out if I'm gonna buy hair or not. So I need to just budget some money. The money that I have right now, I need to budget and see what I'm going to do for the next 2 weeks with that money. So if that money can say, okay, let me just buy the hair and done, I'm gonna do that. I came to the decision to buy proper bundles. Okay, I'm just gonna buy proper bundles. I can't be bothered with me spending money and the hair is not gonna, because I'm taking this out next week, the Solar Express hair, and I spent $13,000 on it. That $13,000 could have gave me one bundle. You know what I'm saying? And I just find the other, and besides the point, we're gonna buy some good hair. the Burmese the curly hair that you guys normally see me in. I'm thinking if I should buy the hair back from her. I'm not gonna lie, it really lasts. It's not raw hair, but it's really good quality. So I'm really thinking if I should just purchase back the hair from her or purchase raw bundles, because there's a different raw bundles will last longer. And I feel like the raw bundles makes more sense at this time. Plus summer is coming up, and if I buy raw bundles, I'm just gonna be reusing it. And I want curly hair because my hair is natural. Let's see what else. But yeah, that's just running down for my weekend this week. Not really a chirpy one. But we're gonna get through it. I just fried me some plantains, not a lot, and I'm gonna fry me an egg, hurry up and eat, shower, and then head out on the road. I know it's moving on to 11 a.m., so I'm gonna be out of my house by 11:30. So once I am heading out on the road or on the road, we'll pick up bag. And I hope you guys can stay to watch this rest of the vlog if you are interested. Hey guys. Alright, so we left out. I'm not gonna even tell you the time, just know I've been inside. It's afternoon now. Early afternoon. But it's not 11:30 or 12. Let's just put it out there. I just bought me some gas. I bought $4,000 gas and it only bring me half. Like, gas is so expensive. So that means like $8,000 to fill my car now. What was the price to normally fill my car? I don't remember, but it wasn't $8,000. My phone is lean. But so you guys already know the screen. My phone is in the sun, so I can't be chatting up with you right now. I'm not gonna lie, in my brain I'm still trying to process what I'm gonna do first. I know I need to go to the ATM. I want to go to possibly Mega Mart. I want to go to Azan. You know what? I want to go to Azan. I had 2 like drinking glass remaining. It's not even drinking glass. They're short glasses that we used to drink rum and stuff. I only had 2 left in my house. Like glass. I have 2 of those short glasses left plus a water goblet, because that's not wine glass. One of those short glasses broke, guys. So I only have 1 short glass and 1 water goblet in my entire house. So I don't even have like a nice tall drinking glass. So, and I want to change my toilet brush too. I think that one that I currently have, I think I had gotten it at Mega Mart, and I like the ones with the container that it's sealed off. So I want to get one of those. And normally the haberdashery stores sell those one that's sealed. So I want to get like a nice container with a toilet brush. I can. So I think I'm gonna go to Azan. I go to Azan, I can get, even though it's kind of late to go to Crossroads, but it's gonna be, it's a Saturday, it's month end. I can get glasses at Mega Mart. Now I'm feeling kind of weird as to what to do right now, but I still need to go to Mega Mart to grab a drink for my friends, because my friends are gonna come to set up tonight and I want to have the drink that they like. So I'm gonna buy a bottle of that. Jesus Christ, man. Sorry guys, I was trying. I hate when I give somebody the blind, they're like iffing and then make the stupid red light catch me. But you know what, I'm gonna go to Mega Mart first, because the toilet is more important. I can go to Mega Mart first, then I go to Azan if anything. Oh, my package, bloody hell. Should I go pick up my package? No, I'm gonna pick up my package now. Yeah, all right, when I figure out what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get back to you guys, because my phone is in the sun, and my phone is in the sun, plus my phone is lean, basically chatting to y'all. So later I'm just gonna play some music. Guys, not me remembering the packages and my car parts. What? There's something wrong with me. But I just picked up my package. It's just a small package. I think these are swimsuits. And it's I do have some Amazon stuff that is to be delivered this Thursday, so I'll probably get it in Jamaica by next week. Those are like skincare products. So I'm just gonna head to the service parts right now. Then I'm gonna go to Mega Mart, and if I don't get what I want at Mega Mart, I'm gonna go to Azan. Yeah, all right, later, because the quality is so bad. So guys, I purchased my parts last year. I paid $10,000 for my regular service part, 10,000 something, and this year it's $13,000. That's crazy. And normally, as time increased, so last year it's normally between $9,000 to $10,000 or something odd dollars, and now it jumped to $13,000. Child, I tell you, the money that I'm spending today is gonna be crazy. I am in traffic. I can't believe I let month end Saturday traffic catch me. Like, I am super annoyed, and it is my fault. But anyways, babes, I am in Mega Mart. Let's hurry up and get shopping and head out of here. Decision. Spice must never be a bad decision. I'm doing what I'm doing. No study what I'm doing. Oh, they try to calm me down. They say I can't drink rum. Oh God. Everybody know when I behavior. Me all over the bitch. Making a whole set of bad decisions. Hey guys, so it has been a very, very tragic day. Listen, let me tell you one thing about our government. So there's this main road on Waterloo Road. Remember, keep in mind, today is month end. It's a Saturday. They blocked off one entire road, fixing it, and that road is like a transition for many, many different locations and avenues and stuff to go, and they blocked off one entire stretch of road on a Saturday and a mountain to fix the road. Does that make sense? So the government make you swear, me I tell you. Anyway, I went to Mega Mart. I didn't get the toilet brush that I wanted. The one that they have is open. My toilet brush needs to be closed. I don't want to see it, so they didn't have that. I'm heading to my mom's right now to pick her up, drop her off somewhere, then head home, get ready in an hour. My friends are going to watch World Cup at a location. I don't know if I'm gonna go, but I found out from the setup for later, and they don't need me. They're good on help and stuff like that. Hold on. Yeah, they are good on help and stuff like that, so I don't necessarily need to I don't need to go there, so I can just go there in the night time. But yeah, when I am heading to the football thingy, I will link you guys back. But this weekend is crazy. There is so much traffic everywhere, literally everywhere. It's so annoying, guys. See my ex with a new girl, feel like a new brand. I am ready and I'm heading to a football match. Yes, I told y'all guys I do have setup and a funeral for my family member, but they actually don't need any help. I already asked, and they said they're good on help. My friends are gonna come by tonight to give their condolences, and when you have a friend group and you guys support each other, so they're gonna come to set up too. But they wanted to go to the football thing, and they asked me if I want to come since I'm not doing anything, and I was like, okay, no problem. And then after the football event ends, we'll just all go by my family thing. So Yeah, I'm just in this jeans dress that I always wear. Talk about it. I need to go on Fashion Nova and order some more jeans dresses. Fashion Nova jean dress, I love them. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear sandals on my feet and my bag. I'm gonna head out right now. I ordered KFC, so I need to pick it up and head to them. So later, guys. So I picked up the KFC. I'm actually back at my house because I was supposed to meet my friends at their house and park, and we use one car go to the games. But based on where I'm at and where the KFC, because I ordered the KFC to nearby me, they're just gonna come and pick me up, and I just leave my car here. So I'm just waiting for them in my car. They should be like 2 minutes away or whatever. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just wait for them. I am feeling a little bit hungry. By the way, it's straight original in the bag. I ordered 15-piece chicken and whatever, and I just don't get it. Like, I don't know, they don't have spicy. It's not ready. It's gonna be 20 minutes for spicy, and then barbecue, she don't know when the barbecue is going to be ready. It's whatever, guys. But the sun is going down. It's 6:14 right now. I don't know what time the match starts. Yeah, I have no clue, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the sunset. It's beautiful.
Pedro Neto and Bruno Fernandes, the other two.
Get to move a bit more. That's the only way to cause problems.
Cordoba deciding to just wait until a few more yellow-shirted teammates. Rodriguez. Games in the top flight in England as Rodriguez, what vision and what a pass as well. Finding Machado.
Everybody pre-win at the party. Y'all are touch to me body.
So I'm leaving my house. I just got dropped off by my friends from the game, the football game, and I just went inside and freshened up a bit to wash my feet and stuff, because where we were, it's a lot of dirt, grass and dirt. So my entire feet was dirty, so I just washed that off. Just added this lip gloss, kind of fixed my hair because it was so humid and hot. So I used the comb and, you know, try to flat iron the top of my hair. Remember, it's all natural. I'm just realizing I cannot wear any straight hair with this. It's not looking proper. So the hair I'm gonna buy, I'm just gonna stick to the Burmese curly hair. That's what I'm gonna stick to, even though that's the hair that I really wanted. But I'm heading now to the family events. Yeah, heading to the setup right now. I'm running a little bit late, but it's okay. And then, like I told y'all, tomorrow's funeral, so it's been a long day. I was on the road just for a couple of hours, and it felt like I was on the road for like all morning. It's just my fault, just leaving my house so late, and then the traffic was an issue. The traffic was such an issue today. But I guess I will see you guys once I'm at the memorial or the setup. I think we call it the setup. The setup is the night before the funeral service. So that's what's happening. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'm heading to pick up my mother. It's 9:42 right now, and the service starts at 10. I wanted to get there by the latest 9:40, but it's okay. I just need to, I'm just like a minute away, so I'm fine. And get there before the service starts, of course. But last night I really didn't video anything at the setup, and I was also busy and stuff, so yeah. Yeah, but I think probably by the end of the day I will speak to you guys. I won't show much. It's nothing to show, actually. For a funeral, it's really not much to show. But once I'm finished later, I will let you guys know. Oh my god, the stoplight takes forever. Oh my god. It's so dirty. And how this... Yeah, I was saying I won't really show you guys much. You know, it's not really like a happy type of day, obviously. But yeah, let me just hurry up and get to the church.
Pastor, I might be doing